Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to move Honda Odyssey seats. The Odyssey is renowned for its versatile interior, allowing you to quickly reconfigure seating for various needs. Whether you need more room for passengers, extra cargo space, or a combination of both, adjusting your seats is a straightforward process. We will cover how to manipulate both the second and third rows, ensuring you can maximize your minivan's functionality with ease. The second-row Magic Slide seats offer incredible flexibility. To slide them, simply pull the bar at the seat's base and move them into one of 4 lateral positions. For more space, you can remove the center seat. First, retract its seatbelt, then pull the 2 release straps to lift it out. This middle seat weighs about 40 pounds. To remove an outboard seat, lower the headrest, fold the seat back, then pull the release lever and lift the seat from its floor hooks. These outboard seats are heavier, around 70 to 80 pounds each. Transforming your cargo area is simple with the third-row stow and go seats. Begin by ensuring all head restraints are lowered completely. Next, locate the repositioning strap on the seat back and pull it firmly. This action releases the front leg lock, allowing the seat to flip backward and fold seamlessly into the floor. You can stow the seats together or individually, providing a large, flat cargo space for hauling larger items or equipment. The Honda Odyssey's adaptable seating truly maximizes its utility. By utilizing the Magic Slide and Stow and Go features, you can easily switch between carrying up to 8 passengers and creating a vast cargo area of over 150 cubic feet. Remember to always ensure all seats are properly latched and secured after any adjustment for passenger safety. This versatility makes your Odyssey perfect for family adventures, errands, or transporting large items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.